So the brief from the developer was that they wanted to create privacy, wanted to create a very welcoming space as people came into the house, and they wanted it to be the last thing people saw when they left the house. And that was the impact we were looking for. The lighting, when you see this at night, is amazing. In the day, the lushness, especially in the Southern California landscape, it makes a real statement. You can't miss it, and it was integral to the design of what we were trying to achieve here. So this is Serenity, a luxury residence in the heart of Beverly Hills that speaks luxury at every corner. It's an amazing space, developed by Ramtin Ray Nosrati, who's one of the most prolific developers and visionaries in the Los Angeles property market. Clients wanted privacy from the neighbors, and luxury was the main goal of the space. This could have been a fence, could have been a hedge, could have been a stone wall, but instead you've got this absolutely beautiful, personalized, customized green wall. So in the last 10 years, we've installed over 200,000 individual plants, over 1,200 green wall projects, and over 80,000 square feet of living walls. We work with luxury homeowners in the biggest markets in the country. We also work with some of the biggest brands in the country, Google, Coca-Cola, Polo Ralph Lauren, to name a few. Living wall will last forever. The plants do grow, and we do change plants out as part of a normal maintenance cycle. Some plants we can even take back to the greenhouse, split them and put them into 2 pots. But a living wall in itself will last a very long time. There's no reason for it not to last, and like anything in your garden, it needs to be maintained, it needs to be trimmed, and it needs to be looked after, but it has a long life. When we think about a living wall, people think about a green wall or a living wall, and as much as we conceptually probably understand what it is, there's a few tricks to it, and there's lots of different ways to do it. And what it is, at its simplest form, is plants in individual plants. The way our system works is plants are in individual hexagonal pots, and they all get arranged on the wall like this. It gets designed out. We go through a detailed design process, and we place each plant in each pixel on the wall, and it gets put on like this. It has an irrigation system that runs along the top and is controlled by the irrigation controller, part of the overall garden system's irrigation controller. And the water runs on this wall, the water runs down into the plants below it, and waters these plants as well. So there's no wasted water. In some environments, the water runs into a drain. We always encourage people to run that water off onto something else, so we're not wasting any water. We live in Southern California. We try to be very environmentally conscious, and we try to be very conscious of the fact that we live in a desert environment. And so, in its simplest form, it's plants on a wall with an integrated irrigation system and somewhere for that water to drain away to. There's a reason living walls like this are going into the most luxurious properties on the West Coast. Malibu, Bel Air, Beverly Hills, places like that are making a statement with a luxury, beautiful green wall. A luxury green wall like this is an absolute statement piece that you don't see outside of super luxury homes. This living wall, when it was spec'd in, was absolutely part of the fundamental design of this amazing home. It was a piece that was non-negotiable and was designed in from the beginning, which is partly why this has been such a successful project, and why it makes such an impact. It's not a finish that was thought about at the end that could be swapped out with something else. This signature green wall was a fundamental part of the overall design. A living wall like this is more than just a piece of art or more than just part of a garden. It's a statement. That's exactly what luxury means. Custom, considered, built to last. Not spending money for the sake of it, but money with impact. At the price points that the luxury properties sell for in this market, the houses have everything. And so what makes a difference is the small touches, and something like a living green wall is so unique and so individual, and no two are the same, that it makes all the difference to a property like this. GrowUp offers a full turnkey solution. We're involved with this green wall right from the initial drawings, the design, the specification of the wall that it went onto. We own the system, we did the installation, we chose the plants, we installed the plants, and we now do the ongoing maintenance. So for a full turnkey solution, GrowUp's the right place to go. Having one team, one relationship, and one throat to choke if something goes wrong ensures that you have a long-lasting, beautiful solution. All living walls need to be maintained, and they're always better if they're maintained by a professional. We maintain this living wall by visiting it every 2 weeks. The wall's plumbed into the irrigation system, integrated with the rest of the garden, but on its own zone. And so we control that watering, change it during different times of the year, and depending on the weather and how much rain we've had. But the important thing is that it's mostly remote control, but it looks this good because it's professionally maintained. We hand select the plants using our experience with the Southern California market to make sure that the plants are going to be successful on the wall. Plant selection is an incredibly important part of the success of a living wall. Having a professional select your plants and then having professionals maintain your plants ensures a successful living wall project. We selected every plant on this wall for heat resilience and drought tolerance. The goal was still to have a lush jungle sort of look, and to get that right, you have to know your plants. This wall is over a year old. It's at 1,120 plants, and we've replaced fewer than 50 in the last year. A green wall like this gets better and better the longer it's maintained. It just looks more natural, the plants grow in together, and you end up with this amazing look. This wall doesn't live in a catalog. It was custom designed for this space. That's what we do, and we are grateful to our partners who trust us to get this done for them. If you're working on a project in Southern California, residential or commercial, and you want to know what's possible, give us a call. We can do something amazing.